So, good afternoon, my dear panelists. This is me, Sharma, and today we are debating on the topic like time versus money. We are in the favor of money, and you are in the favor of time. So, I think money is most important in this world because suppose that if you want to go in medical field, like if you want to be an MBBS, so if you don't have money, then how can you study about it? Tell me.
Time, tell how will you study?
Which type of timeline means like I will die or
If I will not money, I will go bank and get loan. If you have no time, what will you do?
it means money is first priority.
No. Money is second. First priority is time.
If you don't have money, you can also get loan. It means money is first priority. And if you are a rich person, then go and search on the Google. Like many businessmen know how to manage their time. Many businessmen know how to use their time. If you have money, you can utilize your time. If you have money, you can manage your time.
Problem is that you have no study about time. Therefore, you say money is first.
And I want to say that time is invaluable. You can't buy money. And if you don't have time, like you busy in your life, then what will you do?
If I have if I have time, I will go by train and save money.
If you have money, you can say that your time is cost time. Go Dubai. You don't go by train. You always go by like aeroplane.
Yes.
So money can also buy you. Money can save your time.
It cannot be recovered. Money has sufficient value that can be changed over time due to inflation and market fluctuation. So the problem is that before 10 year, petrol price is only 60 and 50 rupees. Now petrol price is more than 100. So money is very bad thing.
So if you don't have money, then you cannot live in this society, in this generation. In this generation, every
Do you know about cryptocurrency?
sorry.
Do you know about cryptocurrency? Crypto is not crypto is not money.
Crypto is not money.
One Bitcoin price is 65,400.
Changing in money?
What?
Why are you changing in money?
She said you cannot survive in this era without money. In future, I will see there is no money and there is many lots of things.
Which type of lots of
No currency.
only cryptocurrency.
No. In future, expert will make other thing than money.
I think also the time of the currency, and it used to place of money and place of money.
I want to say that time is very important in our life. If we waste time, it cannot recover. And if we don't have in if we don't if we lost time, then you cannot earn money. It means you can follow time management. Yes.
We required money, food, clothes, house. A life becomes without money. Okay, sir.
Without okay. So if you want to be a get rich, what will you do?
What will?
What will you do?
What
If
will
you
I-
want to be a get rich, then what can you do? Follow time management. You cannot earn money.
I want to say, I'm trying to say that
No,
there are a lot of businessmen who follow their time management.
but you only focus on money. You only focus on money, not time management.
Okay, when I have already a lot of money, why I have
Every rich person was poor. If firstly, every rich person was poor, they follow time management and they will be a get
Yeah,
rich.
I'm getting your point, but here I choose money. Then I have a lot of money already. I have no need to earn money, and I have only need time, and I can exchange time. I can exchange time by money.
Bro, if you have no idea how to manage your time, you will lose your all money. For
But I
example,
have already
do you know
taught
about
you how to manage your time?
do you
How to manage my
do you
time?
know about Anil Ambani?
Yeah,
Anil Ambani now he has no money. And another hand, Mukesh Ambani, they know how to manage your time. Now he become most rich person in India. Without follow time management, you cannot get rich. Why every religion focus on time, not money? Why?
Said it.
Every religion focus on time, not money. Go study on religion. Yes. Why? You have no word.
Because money is second priority and the time is first priority. That's why every religion so focus on time.
And also Islam and Hinduism.
Hinduism also.
But in today's date, money is more important than the time.
Yeah. In this generation on
Why are you coming here? What is the reason of coming here? I think your reason is coming here to earn money. And why
I'm
are-
coming here for how to I spend my time with my family, how can I manage my time?
only you are coming
And
here?
no
not
only
to
come
spend-
for only not come for time management.
Your
I
first
come
priority is money.
no
Your
How can you
purpose
say
is-
that?
no
In today's time, we can't do anything without money. Schools, hospitals, everywhere.
no
And
in
also you cannot do anything without time.
Suppose
yes
that.
if you suppose that if you have money and you get admission in a university and you don't have time to study there, then what will you do?
if I have a lots of money, then I can open.
If you- if you-
I can open.
I see
university at my home.
I see many people they have lots of money and they don't
And-
study
Okay.
and they don't study but and now they are they don't have money, they lose all their money. Yes, I see many people.
Suppose that if you have a lot of time, okay,
Yes.
and you don't have money, then how can you survive in this generation?
I will do job and earn money.
So money is my second priority. My first priority is
Money is second priority. Money is first priority. Why are you not accepting it?
What is use of time without money?
Huh?
What is use of time without money?
For example, if you have lots of money, like billion, and your age is 70, then what will you do?
I will donate my all money in this like to the poor people. You don't know anything about the charitable organization.
I mean, you earn money for charity.
Of course. Suppose Salman Khan is donating like the poor people to the poor people. I know he's not the time to meet you, but he is the time to. But he has money to like give charity to the poor people. Your friend, like you are saying, my friend have a lot of time. A lot of girlfriend.
I mean, you will marry with rich person.
You cannot say he is success. He is
Yes, of
successful
course.
man. He is not successful man.
I will not marry.
He is failure in his
No,
life.
no, no.
I
I will marry.
his goal is
You will marry
his
him.
goal is
Like,
if his goal is everyone not earn money, everyone not want to earn money. If he will not tell about his every figure is not same. Every people have different goal. That his goal is different.
Suppose that if
it's called time management.
many people have.
I think this is proud.
All figure is not
Yeah.
same.
Having 100